Welcome and thanks for tuning in. In this video, we'll tell you how to connect your Zoho CRM Plus to Cloudprinter.com. First of all, go to the Cloudprinter.com website, point to Connected Apps and choose Zoho CRM. Now, push the Activate Now button, fill in the email address or mobile number attached to your Zoho CRM Plus and press the Next button. Here, you will see the extension that will help you to integrate your Zoho CRM Plus with Cloudprinter.com. To proceed, tick the boxes and hit the Continue button. At this point, you will have to decide who can work with the Cloudprinter.com app in your Zoho CRM Plus and click on the Confirm button. You have installed the extension successfully, and now you can find it in the installed extensions in your marketplace. After the installation, you will need to activate the extension with your Cloudprinter.com account. Click on Sign Up if you don't have a registered Cloudprinter.com account. You will be redirected to our website. Here, you will have to register a Print Cloud account. You can watch our first video in the course, where we will already explain how to manage the login process. If you already have a registered Print Cloud account, click on Authorize. Enter your sign-in information in the fields and press the Yes, Authorize button. Choose the account and then click on the Authorize button. Now, your extension has been activated successfully. Hit the Finish button. On this page, you can shift between the two available modes, Sandbox and Live. Sandbox is a test mode, and Live is a mode for real orders. To change the mode, click on the pencil icon and type the name of the preferred mode in the field. Thanks for joining and stay tuned, as in the next video we will explain how to install the Quick Order app.